Don't let your bees die in battle with other bees. Please make some of these. Anybody can get in there. This will fix it. I'm Sean at Honey Drop Farm, and today I want to show you how to make your own super cheap, super effective DIY robbing screens for your beehives. And did I mention super easy, because all you need is screws, tin snips, and screen. Of course, nails or staples might work better for you, especially if you have wood. I'm using screws because I'm playing with these styrofoam nucs that I made. The drill is optional. A screwdriver wouldn't be as fast though. Forgot to mention you needed a Sharpie and something with a straight edge, preferably square. Regular window screen is fine if you're in a robbing emergency, but if you're trying to plan ahead, then this 1/8" screen is much stiffer and better. By the way, I have found 1/8" screen in a Menards once, and every other time I've had to buy it online. So if you're going to need it by a certain date, you might want to order it now or find it now. So you got your square straight edge here. Decide how wide you want your strip for your particular hive entrance. Take your Sharpie, draw on the wire. It's important for your cut to be pretty straight. If your cut is not straight, then your wire won't go all the way to the bottom of the landing board. So then you might have a gap where a yellow jacket or even a small robber bee could get through underneath. There's the line. Tin snips. Next step, figure out how many you're going to need, eyeball them, and cut a whole bunch. First, how not to do it. See this? See this? When you lift it up, fine, they can get in and out. And when you try to close it, it won't close all the way. You want to have the option of closing them completely. That way, if they do start getting robbed, you can close them completely and limit the damage while you figure out how to stop the robbing. It's also handy if you want to move the hive to another place without bees getting into your car and without losing any foragers. See, it won't close all the way. So what you need to do is jam these wires against the landing board. So it needs to be kind of jammed down. Now I'll show you the right way to do it. By the way, even the wrong way would be better than nothing. Start it out at an angle, going like this. If you need to completely close it up, you can just crimp it in there, like that. Nobody in, nobody out. Now if you just want to discourage robbing, pull up one corner. The smell of the honey that the robbers want is coming out everywhere, and the robbers are going to try to get in through here because they're following the smell. Some of them might discover this small entrance, but that small entrance is going to be guarded by the bees who live there. So if you've got 20 bees guarding a huge space like this, and there's 200 bees trying to get in, then that's bad news. Now, if you have a setup like this, most of them are going to be confused and waste their time and energy trying to get in here. And the ones who try to get in here will be met by 20 bees guarding a space the size of, I don't know, 4 bees. You can even make a tunnel that's like 2 bees wide. And about 3 bees long. That should be really easy for them to guard. Now the bees who live here might be confused at first, but that won't last. Pretty soon they'll figure out the way in and out of their own place. First 3 years in beekeeping, I had these on all of my nucs. And this year, like an idiot, I stopped, and it's the first year I've ever had problems. So now all my new boxes are getting one of these. I think your boxes should have these too. If you have a colony that's susceptible to robbing, then you really need to figure out why they're weak. So you should really check out this video right here. So smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and click the bell, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.